Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope you're fine. I hope you're doing well. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful and most stunning Ankara styles for kids. Do well to let me know what you think about these styles. Do you really think they are stylish? Do you plan recreating any of the styles for your little girls? Share with me. I will be there to read and to reply to you all. If you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Remember to share with others and kindly subscribe to my channel for more amazing styles. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in another beautiful, exciting and interesting episode on the channel. Bye.